Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an honest review of SoFi Invest. Is it actually worth it? So it claims to be a beginner-friendly investing app. Okay, a lot of people are asking if it's actually worth it. So we're going to break this down. Now, this one is mainly for long-term investors than active traders. Okay, it's actually having a simple, clean interface. Okay, you can open a lot of different accounts with them. So you can open a taxable brokerage account or a Roth or a traditional IRA or even do automated investing. Okay. And you can even use your credit card rewards to actually invest. Now, this app, what I liked is it's great for beginners. Okay. It's like, banking on with training wheels, right? Easy interface, low friction. It's ideal for the, set it and forget about it investing. And the auto investing actually also works well. You can automate deposits and even set it to buy specific stocks or ETFs weekly. And things compound over time. Over time, prices usually will go up if you made a financially sound investing, by looking at the fundamentals. Okay. So also what I wanted to talk about was the SoFi credit card, and you're able to basically use, you know, your cashback rewards directly into investments. And there's actually also bonuses for moving money in and out. Okay, so you can stack up points by churning small deposits. Now the issues with this, the issues with SoFi Invest, first of all, it is not for day trading. Okay, so if that's your plan, this is not for you. So there's no real-time transfers between SoFi Checking and Invest either, right? So you can't sell covered calls or do advanced option strategies. And the tools are very basic. There's no in-depth research tools. There's no real charting features or technical analysis. So for that, you would have to use another tool and then come here and invest, okay? Also, I must say your gains, they're not going to be that much. It's going to be minimal. If you just pick a generic ETFs, it'll be minimal unless you're playing the long game, because over time, things even out there and it's going to go up. Now, this is basically okay, good for you if you don't mind some slow fund transfers, because when cashing out, it's not that ideal. It does take some time. They do cash you out, but it takes time. So if you want quick access to your funds, not ideal for you. So just keep everything in mind before you go into this. Okay, so that was the honest review. If you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.